So we didn't quite make it through this last one, so I wanted to make sure that I showed you how to do it so that you have the answers. I change all of mine to decimals. So when you change this to a decimal, you're going to move the decimal back 2 places. So you actually have 15 10,000ths. When I change this to a decimal, I'm making that hundredths to start with, which means I'm multiplying by 5, multiplying by 5. So I have 15 hundredths. And then since this one has 4 places, I'm going to add 2 zeros after that so that this one also has 4 places. So I have 15 10,000ths, and then I have 1,500 10,000ths. And then I've got my 15 thousandths, but I'm going to add a 0 on the end so that I've got 150 10,000ths. And I'm adding that 0 and these 2 zeros just because it makes it a little easier to compare if they're all to the 10,000ths place. So my smallest one is going to be the 15 10,000ths. So that's going to be my 0.15%. That's my smallest. And then when I'm looking at 1,500 10,000ths or 150 10,000ths, this one is going to come next. So I have 0 and 15 thousandths. And then my last one is the 1,500 10,000ths, which is 3/20ths. If you changed all of those to percents, which some of you may have done, so we would have the 15 hundredths of a percent. If I have 3/20, that's 1,500 hundredths, sorry, so that's 15%. And if I move this 2 places, this would be 1.5%. And again, this is the smallest, which was the first thing. 1 5/10% is next. And then that 15% or the 3/20ths is the biggest.